You probably had the same error that I had when I tried to install Zotac software for 3000 series Stormfire and it failed. Or maybe you haven't even been able to download the app in Chrome. So calm down, here I will show you what worked for me. First of all, do not use Chrome, it usually gives an error without reason. I use Opera. Okay, then go and download the app from this official website, link in the description of this video. Previously I tried from another official link, but that one failed when I tried to update the software. Right click on the setup and run it as administrator, then restart your PC. Now you can access the section to change the lights that was previously blocked. Well, you are ready to enjoy this beautiful graphic card. Thanks for watching and I'll be happy to help you with any questions. See ya!